Hello, hello. I am here to do a taste test and review of this Healthy Crunch Caramel Apple Granola Bar. Peanut-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, no dairy. Hopefully it has flavor. And let's see, calories. 100 calories. So this would be considered one serving. And it is 100 calories for this one serving. Let me know if you've ever tried this before, what you thought of it. This is the first for me, so I'm hoping I like it. I've been looking for a granola bar that I really enjoy and just haven't come across one that meets that qualification. Here's what it looks like. Pretty standard for a granola bar. You see all the little bits and pieces. You kind of get the caramel apple smell, kind of. Pretty faint. You definitely smell like the granola-y smell. It's semi-soft. Definitely a lot of puffed rice in it. And like dehydrated apple pieces. The caramel was, it's just barely there. It's not terrible, but I would not get this again. Will I finish this? Probably not. It's too puffed rice forward, and then the puffed rice, because of the, I guess, the other ingredients or something, it almost is kind of like soggy, gummy-ish on the texture. So, yeah, not for me. I would give this, I would say a 2 out of 5, and I'm giving it the 2 because you can taste the apple and the caramel just barely come through. I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below if you're interested in trying it for yourself. Let me know in the comment section if you typically enjoy granola bars. Not necessarily this one, but in general. I'm about 50-50 on the granola bar situation. But let me know about you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.